Cash live, guys. Coming a little early tonight. Happy Sunday to you, Monday, wherever you are in the world. What's good, guys? What's up, ℚ𝕗? Welcome back, man. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Let's make it a good night tonight, guys. 376, guys. We're trapped in this price. This price just will not move. So let people join the chat. ℚ𝕗, what's good, bro? Not a lot, man. Not a lot. Just dealing with life, my man. Guys, cryptos never sleeps. I never sleep. I don't take breaks because things are going on. I can't fall victim to the system. So I'm here. I'm live. I'm turning up tonight. If you're here in the chat, throw in a chat. Let us know you're here. Guys, this is an uncensored chat. Feel free to say whatever you want. Ask anything you want. Anything like that, guys. I'm glad you're here. Guys, no set course tonight. Just coasting through this Sunday evening. No real plan. I'm just picking up kind of where I left off last night with these BCH charts against the altcoins on a percentage gain graph. So I got BSV right here. I got BTG, Bitcoin Gold in red, Bitcoin Diamond in the back in orange, kind of yellow-orange. And Bitcoin Cash is going to be in green, guys. So, you know, looking at this, guys, it looks different anytime you zoom in or out. So there's different winners all the time. Right here, this is Bitcoin Diamond making 1,100% gain back in May. So we really didn't touch that at all, guys. Korean Boy J, what's good, man? It's my favorite grocery store. I don't know, man. I find myself going to Costco a lot. Favorite grocery store. I don't know, man. I like this new grocery store down here near us called Bristol Farms. I haven't really bought anything from it yet. I like Whole Foods for a grocery store. Costco. I'm a bargain guy, dude, so you know, I like some of the stuff they got at Costco. Guys, so even we're looking at Bitcoin Gold, went up 700%. Nothing tops Bitcoin Diamond at 1,100% gain. Yeah, weird questions are fine here. ℚ𝕗, Korean Boy J, feel free to ask. It's uncensored, man. I don't want to feel like any question's a weird question, but every question's a weird question, to be fair, ℚ𝕗. So, you know, just bear in mind that things don't always appear how they look. Or look how they appear. I don't know. Really, it seems like BSV has been kind of the overall gainer in the long term. I mean, is it just me, guys? I mean, I know Bitcoin Diamond did come up a little bit from where it fell from, but you know, that's only when we zoom in. When we zoom out, BSV's actually had most of the upswings. You're right, Korean Boy J. I didn't say ask anything. So, guys, no set course for the evening. Coasting through the evening. You know, whatever you guys got on your mind. Feel free to laugh. Feel free to send me some Bitcoin Cash, guys. I got my QR code up in the top. Make peer-to-peer cash fun again. Send your boy a micro payment. I did load a short, guys, with some dudes I met at the gym. I sent a couple dollars out to them. Looks like they received those already. But yeah, feel free to drop me some BCH, guys. Feel free to you know, send me your favorite altcoin. I can pull up any address, guys. So it's the beauty of crypto, guys. It doesn't matter where you're at in the world. The payments continue. We're live on Bitcoin Cash, guys. Thank you for coming to the live chat. I did see District 0x was up. DNT ticker. Only because this one's been around for a while. It is up 100% in the last day. So, you know, just bear in mind, it's traded on Binance, Coinbase, Sushi Swap, some of the other shadier exchanges. But some good exchanges here too. District 0x, guys, this project's been around for a minute. You know, I don't own any of this. But it could do something like Mana and do an incredible 20-30x gain. I mean, seriously, it's already kind of setting up for it. Went to 40 cents back in last rally. I've been following this project. Not a lot going on with it in terms of, you know, me following it. I just kind of know that it exists. I watch it time to time. But nonetheless, it's up 100% in like the last 2 days. All right, a couple questions going down in the chat. I'm going to answer all of them. Roger Ver, you know, I talk about him a lot on the channel because he promotes Bitcoin. We're talking about BCH, Bitcoin Cash. Roger Ver didn't invent Bitcoin Cash. He's just promoting the same payment system he's always promoted since day one that he got into crypto, which is Bitcoin. So he probably does have, you know, miners and a bunch of infrastructure that he probably switched his hash power to Bitcoin Cash. And I'm sure ʔ𝕗 did the same thing, and I'm sure they invested a lot of their money in capital and BTC Core, Bitcoin at the time, into those projects. So I would say, in a sense, he helped Bitcoin Cash fork, but there were a lot more miners, and it's a lot more complex. So everybody that was holding Bitcoin on, let me give you the exact date, just because I don't want to give you the wrong date. Bitcoin Cash fork date from BTC Core. August 1st, 2017. Bitcoin Cash, anybody participating in BTC at the time were able to collect a 1-for-1 Bitcoin Cash in their wallet. So most of the exchanges, I mean, I'm pretty sure pretty much all the main exchanges supported this. Anyways. Similarly, November 15th for BSV. November 15th on BSV. So August 1st, November 15th. Important dates to remember. I always forget these dates, guys. I even have to look back at Bitcoin Cash. But nonetheless, yeah, nobody owns Bitcoin Cash. Nobody owns, you know, Roger Ver probably invested a lot more of his Bitcoins in Bitcoin Cash, maybe. I mean, maybe he didn't, maybe he did. You know, if he did or didn't, you know, he still helped build out the ecosystem, but he doesn't like control Bitcoin Cash. He probably owns some of the domains. He has influence on Bitcoin Cash, but does he actually own the network? No, he does not. It's just as anonymous and decentralized as BTC Core, but theoretically it's not decentralized because you could literally, you know, shut down every miner and just crush BTC Core, but you know, I don't see anything like that happening with crypto. No, you haven't been living under a rock. It's a good question. Chad, why do you think Kroger had BCH on their website press release? That was fraudulent later. So Kroger never was advertising Bitcoin Cash. That was a complete fraud. That was literally a complete fraud. Can't be any clearer on that. That was just a pump and dump. So literally Bitcoin Cash pumped. They tried to pump a little higher, it didn't work. Yeah, Satoshi made Bitcoin. Or Satoshis. I mean, there could have been a group of people. You can't rule that out either, but nonetheless, Satoshi or the group of Satoshi created Bitcoin. BCH is just something that the miners decided to do as a community and mine bigger blocks and change and hard fork it to to increase the block size on the protocol. That was basically it, and they started mining Bitcoin Cash, and same thing happened with BSV. ₚ took all his mining companies and all that stuff, and everybody involved in BSV, and they just started mining BSV. Yeah, they could have been messing with the news. That's definitely possible. That's definitely possible. You could literally Satoshi a real person. Satoshi might not be a real person. Like I said, Satoshi could be a group of all these people that we're talking about right now. Craig Wright, Roger Ver. It might not be a group of people though. I mean, it could be just one person too. It could be Craig Wright. I mean, honestly, I don't think it is Craig Wright, but I'm just saying it could be. You can play the guessing game all day. We'll never figure it out probably, unless somebody starts moving some coin. But yeah, it could have been an idea by Satoshi to put all those coins kind of locked up and forgotten about, because it would be so tempting to move. They would be so tempting to move. So maybe there was like more than one address, and he took like his way fair share, and he just wanted to see how people would react to try to claim those coins, just so he could see. And then he has, wallets spaced out all across the ecosystem, different hashes everywhere, private keys and everything. And he's just waiting on his moment. Because maybe at some point those coins will move. Maybe the miners, will have some influence on that, or somebody will, or a group of people, or a group of countries. But maybe that's a test too by Satoshi. Maybe Satoshi's, very active in crypto and doesn't even think of those coins as something he even needs to touch, or maybe just that he would touch if he needed to. BCH will age like Bitcoin. Yep, it'll go to 20K, and everybody will believe this channel from then on out. But unfortunately, guys, I don't think a lot of people are going to make it to this channel to see that before or after. And then, finally, maybe they'll reach it, and they'll be like, damn, this dude's been talking about this shit all the time, this all along. Bitcoin Cash went to 20K. So, you try to tell people when you can. You can't try to grind it down to them. A lot of times they don't want to listen, but if they'll listen, you try to tell them. It's a payment system. It's been a payment system since 2009. That was the idea of it. Other projects tried to do it that are still around too. I mean, we looked at Digibyte the other day. We look at ant-shares. ant-shares is a very active crypto project. Very active, guys. They just did their N3 wallet, their mainnet N3. They dissolved the gas and gave people credit for a additional migration for additional coins. So if you're a big bag holder, you got free NEO. Plus, they still let NEO trade on the exchanges, so you can still, you know, leave it there if you want. ℚ𝕠𝕚 𝕍𝕐𝕘, you look new. ℚ𝕠𝕚 𝕍𝕐𝕘, please introduce yourself a little more. Glad to have you on the channel. It's a free place to roll up, totally uncensored. Feel free to say whatever you want. I don't think Bitcoin Cash price does look really dead in water. I think it just depends on how you look at it. I mean, if you look at Bitcoin Cash, you know, on the year price, it looks much different. You know, we can look at that right now. Let me see. I need to get rid of all this stuff, guys. Sorry. So, like, if you look at Bitcoin Cash right here, it doesn't really look that bad. And you might be saying, well, you can't really look at it like here. But you can't look at Bitcoin Cash right here because it forked when BTC was at an all-time high. Or going for an all-time high. But I mean, it went from 250 down here. This one's not shown at all, so I apologize about the graph. But it did go down to 250 and then up to 4,000. In my mind, it's because the hype on BTC is real funny. Yeah, all the BTC maxis are holding their Bitcoin Cash. They have no reason to sell it. There's absolutely, if they're holding them from the fork, there's no reason for them to sell them after the fork. It just makes absolutely no sense. So you can literally hold, they're probably holding Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. You know, there's a few other forks, and they might be holding all of them. Hello, future millionaires. Yeah, Gabriel. I said something about Gabriel. Inspired you to do what's? I like peer-to-peer payments, so that's why I did the Bitcoin Cash channel. I think Bitcoin Cash is probably one of the best projects in crypto, if not the best project. So, hello, future millionaires. Yeah, that's what Gabriel says a lot. He might be right though. You know, Manuel Myers because claims that Bitcoin. Yeah, Gabriel's probably right. I don't see Bitcoin Cash going much lower. I think I saw one of his videos the other day. I saw he posted one today, but I didn't watch it. Once people start using the coins as money, is the transactions real price? Yeah, they're kind of starting to use it as money down in the Caribbean. So you know, all that stuff's kind of happening. Yeah, guys, I mean, this is live on Bitcoin Cash. My QR code's in the top right. Feel free to send me some Bitcoin Cash and see why it's the best crypto. I mean, really, guys, you asked me why Bitcoin Cash. The QR code's in the top right. Send your boy a less than a penny. There's no payment system in the world you can do that on that I know of. I mean, if I want to send you guys a penny, drop me a QR code. I'll send you under a penny. You be anywhere in the world and receive that US less than a US penny. I would not cash it out for fiat. No reason to. It's a world network, guys. It's not just one separate thing. Guys, I loaded a short video on my channel. If you guys want to check it out, I just showed you how literally easy it is to let people onboard to Bitcoin Cash. So check that video out. It's literally 18 seconds of your time. You can go and check it out and let me know what you think. But basically, like, it's easy to talk about crypto. Just get them to download a wallet, send them some so they see what it is. They're so confused about what it is. Yeah, I think 20K could even happen by the end of this year, honestly. You know, I know that seems kind of far-fetched now, but once they start taking off, a lot of these coins, they start taking off pretty fast. It begins hard to rationalize where it could top out at. Like, it could, you know, trace these highs really quick, and literally, you know, you could see like a 20K rise. I mean, it could literally be something literally like, you know, straight up here, dip down a little bit, come back up, and then before you know it, you're at 20K. I know it seems kind of like, you know, a big number, but can achieve tens of billions of dollars worth of market cap pretty easily. Cardenas, welcome back. They can suppress the price a lot of different ways. They can use, I think Grayscale's suppressing the price a lot by buying up all the Bitcoin Cash, like as it comes into market. That's one way, and the crypto exchanges like FTX and Bitstamp and all the ones that are doing the futures and leverage derivatives markets they can really mess with the volume of Bitcoin Cash because it's not heavily traded compared to like Ethereum or BTC. Like it's still number 5, but it's not like, it's lighter volume than those, so it's easier for them to pump it through there. Don't be fooled, man. They're using Bitcoin Cash like you wouldn't believe. They're sure as hell not using BTC Core that I would, imagine. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Feel free to turn up with us tonight. We're literally live. This is Bitcoin Cash, guys. We are live. Appreciate you guys lighting up the chat. Yeah, they could definitely just be selling it at ask price. That's definitely another way to suppress it. You guys got to understand one other thing too. It's not just people buying up Bitcoin Cash. Well, honestly, if they're selling it at ask and there's a demand for it, this thing will shoot up. Like if they're selling it at ask, but they're raising the prices up, I think they're kind of going to try to like raise the prices up and pump it. I do think they have a lot, but I think the more you see people take Bitcoin Cash offline into hot wallets, like where it's just basically gone, that's when you'll start seeing these squeezes out of Bitcoin Cash. And it'll be considerable numbers. It'll be like from like 4 to 8, 8 to 16. It can stage up kind of like it did here. Went way up, and now it's kind of like dangling right here. In this little zone right here, it's like, if it can stay in here even, you zoom out, it's still looking, pretty solid. Because it just looks like Bitcoin Cash has gone down, but you really can't look at all this. Like this whole area is missing, so it's, you can look at like Litecoin. You could say, well, what does Litecoin have to do with this? Well, it has to do a lot with this, and I'll show you why. So basically, this is Bitcoin Cash. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I'm losing my technical sense here. So this is basically Bitcoin Cash, what you're looking at with that graph, the one we were just looking at, BCH. So you're just seeing like this, like you're just seeing like this drop. But really, a lot of this growth from all these other altcoins, like this is where we're at in May right now. So there's going to be a big run up on Bitcoin Cash and all the altcoins. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. We're literally live, so feel free to pull up, guys. Definitely like to have you on the show. You guys are lighting up the chat. Bitcoin Jason's just arrived. Welcome in, guys. I'm gonna have to disagree, Busy Mountain. I think if the over the counter, if Grayscale's buying it over the counter originally from the crypto in a big bulk, those kind of orders do matter, especially because it's kind of like a derivatives on itself in a sense. Like, check it out, because Robinhood has Bitcoin Cash too, and they're kind of trading it within Robinhood. So, it could be a little bit bigger than just the open, just because it's on over the counter. They're doing big deals behind the scenes, and the market is on those little platforms, but then if that gets out of control, it goes kind of to the next platform, which is like real Bitcoin Cash, and that's when the price takes off. That's just an opinion, guys. I could be totally wrong, but I just noticed like Grayscale came out and openly admitted that they were buying back their stocks, buying back their shares. Why? So the prices will match up with it, because it's taken off. Bitcoin Cash is wanting to take off so bad. Like I said, it's not being moved in anybody's wallets. It's just being spent and used. It's really, really cool. Yeah, see, I mean, all bunch of confusing numbers. Jason saying 500 Australian dollars. Yeah, we forgot that could well distort prices after all the more or less how favorite silver markets work. Yeah, it's just like, I mean, dude, you got to see that, you know, you see it too. So yeah, like gold's trading, but silver's trading against gold. Gold's trading against silver. There's exchange rates on there. There's people betting against the exchange rates. There's futures on top of that, and we're saying gold and silver, but you can apply that to BTC Core, Bitcoin Cash. We've seen it on Bitcoin SV. So I mean, the exchanges are going through volume you would never even believe. Yeah, that's why we're here at Strata making Bitcoin Cash videos. Guys, if you're turning up with us, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. I came in early because I wanted to get out of here a little early. So guys, if you're turning up with us, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Guys, feel free to drop in the chat. Looks like I'm looking at Bitcoin Cash. I'm actually looking at Litecoin. So, yeah. Yeah, losses are written off in the gold and silver market for sure, especially when the banks are floating the notes of it back and forth. Yeah, Jason, it's hard to upload all the videos. It's all good. We appreciate what you do for Bitcoin Cash, man. Just showing up here every night, something, plus all the stuff you do in your job, man. Yeah, you're good, bro. You don't have to feel like you got to do everything. Guys, we're live, turning up on Bitcoin Cash. I'm sitting here picking my nose. But yeah, guys, we all can do our part on Bitcoin Cash. Coming here is one of them. Opening up this chat. People come through that don't know what they're talking about. We definitely set them on the right path when they leave. So you know, we're all doing out what we can for Bitcoin Cash, guys. You know, so definitely know that I got anybody's back on that. You can't do it all, Bitcoin, Jason. So don't feel like you can. It's way too hard. Guys, we're live. It's Sunday night where I'm at. I guess it's Monday if you're on the other side of the planet. But we're live nonetheless on Bitcoin Cash. Price is kind of stuck, it seems like. But you know, when things get stuck, that's when you see these like 300-400% gains. So it doesn't really, you know, faze me to see this kind of stuff. It's exciting, but it doesn't like. 20-30% drop either direction just doesn't even move me anymore. Looking at the 5-year, I mean, we got plenty of room to go. I'm gonna pull up over-the-counter holding trust, one that I have, ETCG, because it has gone up a little bit. But yeah, guys, I got in way down here and rode it all the way up, and then have been riding it all the way back down. You know, maybe it'll go up again. Who knows? Ethereum Classic's been doing pretty good. Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic a couple days ago were the only coins up for quite a bit. Ethereum Classic's kind of kind of moved up as well. Looks like it's going up again. A lot of good stuff going in the chat, guys. I'm not familiar with ℚ, Jason. But yeah, if you can get him to take Bitcoin Cash as a donation platform, I mean, a place for a donation, I think it's a great idea. Junk paper fiat, that always win. Yeah, junk paper fiat, guys. It's a scam. You guys do what you can, guys, for Bitcoin Cash, formaldehyde faces. Federal Reserve, guys. You know, it's not government. It's just they just want to print money, guys. It's just really hard to do. I guess. You know, we'll have to see what happens. Right now, we've seen a lot of prices kind of increase, so you know, I hope that maybe kind of subsides, but it's hard to tell. Ethereum Classic could go for an all-time high, guys, here pretty soon. We could get a price pump to 400 this rally for sure on ETC. So just check it out. It might go. It might keep going. Who knows? It could go to maybe 1200. Yeah, let's take a look at BSV real quick on the block chair. So yeah, indeed, the transactions have gone up 2 million since last night, or since the last 24-hour period. So we'll see how high they can go. So yeah, guys, Bitcoin SV transactions are definitely going up for sure. I still keep looking at that price, like Bitcoin SV is at least worth like 5 or 6K. If it gets to that price, Bitcoin Cash will be at least 20K by then. Yeah, guys, so thank you for Cardenas. That's a big jump in transactions. I mean, it's another 2 million transactions that are happening on Bitcoin SV. I mean, you can look right here, BTC Core. It's only 220,000 transactions. So I mean, nothing's really getting up to this. Bitcoin Cash, 57,000 transactions. So really, Bitcoin Cash is more with the price that's kind of transacting rather than the actual 24-hour stats. Yeah, people want to keep Bitcoin Cash alive, guys. A lot of people in the community have mining and investing in that kind of stuff. So, yeah, it's definitely alive. Yeah, so Bitcoin SV has done a whopping 1 billion transactions on its network already. It's done 9 million this 24-hour period. So it's huge, guys. Yeah, guys, if you're just joining in, thanks for joining. We're live on Bitcoin Cash. cryptocurrency, feel free to throw anything in the chat you like. No plan tonight, just kind of worried if we're gonna break out of this little cycle we're in, guys. Yeah, Bitcoin Jason said there's some mining going down in his hometown. Yeah, miners won't let it die, guys. It's just a coin that's still kind of out there. Guys, if you're just joining, we're live on Bitcoin Cash, guys. Lighten up the chat, guys. Great to be here. If you're just getting here, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Lighten up the transactions, guys. 99% of the transactions in a few days have been crypto fights backing. They're non-monetary transactions, just record player input on the blockchain. It's really dope, guys. Bitcoin SV. A lot of chat here, guys. I can't go back all the way here. So, Chadwick, what do you see the future of XRP? We're in a lot of hype, especially lately. We're better off with Bitcoin Cash. Oh, guys, honestly, it might seem that way now, but XRP, I mean, to be fair, could really take off too. You know, we don't look at XRP a lot here, but I will take a look at it. I don't want to doubt XRP. I mean, I know it was late to move back in December. I was really wanting to buy some right here too, guys, right here. You know, I I've been kind of on the edge about it. Finally was like, I need to buy some. We could get good news for XRP at any moment, and this could start looking a lot better. XRP could go to probably, I would say, $10. I know that's a 10x, but it's just it's my honest guess on where it could go. I think XRP could probably go to $10 or higher. We are going up a little bit on Bitcoin Cash. We're at $378. Moving along pretty well here. Through the podcast live. Ethereum Classic's up a little bit. Doesn't get much better than this, guys. It's live. I can't think of anything better. I've gone a little bit up in the last hour. Really kind of running sideways real quick here. But we could definitely leg up tomorrow morning. The futures are up a little bit. Not that that really means much for cryptos, but seems to have a little bit of an effect to it. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Literally live, throwing down the chat. Yeah, I like ₚ👘👏👚🕠🕝 too. I usually laugh at XRP estimate, makes you some money for sure, but I'd rather run BCH. Yeah, I'd rather like to yeah, I mean, Emmanuel, they could burn XRP too. They could burn XRP if they wanted to. But I hear what you're saying. It does, it's pre-mined. They're holding their XRP, so XRP is was kind of an issue with crypto people for a while. I felt like green is people. Yeah, green is definitely people. Yeah, Emmanuel, that's exactly what I said about, I do prefer, I'm not like I don't want anybody to think like I'm anti-BTC or anti-XRP. I'm not like anti or anything like that, but I personally do like the pre-mined, or not non-pre-mined, I like, decentralized circulation, capped off at a certain amount, mining, proof of work. Now there are proof-of-stake coins that have done really well. Ethereum is arguably one of them, and ETH, and then there's also Ethereum, aka Ethereum Classic, which is going to stay mineable. So maybe they can work something out with miners with ETH. ETC could maybe start being mined. Maybe they could create a market for it. Yeah, BCH is the big boss for sure. Yeah. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. I got my QR code up top. Feel free to drop me payment. XRP has been marketed for banksters first. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on with XRP, honestly. It could be the one that takes off. It's really anybody's game, guys. They can kind of all start taking off at one time and then kind of run sideways for a bit, but XRP's done really well. It's came all the way from down under a third of a penny. Just a few years ago. This is only 6-7 years ago. So I don't know. Guys, if you're just tuning up, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Appreciate you turning up tonight, guys. Free live podcast. Yeah, let's talk about privacy coins, guys. Busy Mountain. We have been on privacy coins for a while. One thing, were you here when we did the Zcash payment? I could do it real quick anyways, just to be fun. Zcash, I think I might have deleted that wallet actually, because I have one on my phone now too. Yeah, too much work to get to. I probably have it here. The wallet's probably somewhere on my computer, but I might have deleted it too, and too much work to go through. But yeah, we can talk about privacy coins. I'd like to talk about Monero, just because Monero is really performing pretty well. Take a look at it. I mean, look at it, guys. This is Monero, you know, against BTC. It's kind of ran sideways here, kind of down sloping a little bit, you know, obviously losing a little bit of gain. But this could easily bounce here, guys. We could literally see something like this. You know, Roger Ver, he supports Monero. He's just one person. It's a pretty big community. It could easily, you know, maybe take off. You got Zcash. Right here, Zcash is kind of, I mean, where are we at with Zcash, guys? 3 grand, 4 grand here soon? quick bait, man. Yeah, my goal is not to get a bunch of people on the channel, it's just to get the right people on the channel, guys. I'd love to see Roger Ver come through here. You know, maybe ℚ𝕠𝕚, maybe some of those people. I'm not trying to headline a bunch of idiots to my channel. I think we owning some Monero is wise. It keeps the controllers in check. They know we will roll out ghost style good criminals. Yeah, you could send it to a Zcash wallet the other night. Me and Bitcoin Jason did that in one of my videos. If you saw that, we literally sent Zcash private shielded to his address. So you know, the network was verified, but it'd be hard to find that transaction if you wanted to find out that Jason got it, even from me. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe Zcash to like maybe 4 or 5 grand. Is that fair? Maybe like 2,800, 3,400, 42, somewhere up here, somewhere up in this area. Something crazy. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. We're live, guys. I heard this project is really good privacy. It's called ℚ𝕑𝕙. So I feel like it's been around longer than that. So maybe I'll look at that one here. I've been actually wanting to pick up a little of this project. You know, guys, I mean, I support a lot of projects, not just Bitcoin Cash. You know, I support projects like ℚ𝕚. I mean, anything that you're going to see me headlining any of my thumbnails is going to be projects I definitely support. So, you know, definitely Bitcoin Cash is my biggest investment or wallet, you could say. But yeah, ℚ𝕑𝕙, guys, this one's been around for a minute. I've been wanting to like pick up a little bit. You know, I mean, I support all little cryptos too. I even have some Neo Gas that I haven't sold. I even have, you know, like I said, ℚ𝕚, Zcash, all these coins that I talk about, Dash. I own all of them. Documentary, not a movie. Soviet Green is a documentary, not a movie. Yep. ℚ𝕠𝕚 would be. I'll have to look into that, man. But yeah, guys, this project here is ℚ𝕑𝕙, guys, and it's gone to $200, $250 up here. So don't be fooled about what's going on. You know, this is huge. Just bear in mind that it just takes time for these markets to move. They're not just going to always go up. You know, we always went up right here, and pretty much every coin. So just take your time with it. No rush. The marathon, not a wet race. All these coins, a lot of these coins are junk. A lot of them aren't. Most of them aren't. But a lot of these coins are just kind of running in the background. eCash, Bitcoin Jason, we were talking about this the other night. I don't think you were on the show yet, but eCash been doing pretty well. Did almost $1 billion in volume last 24-hour period. So keep on the lookout for eCash, doing pretty well recently. EOS, Decentraland, don't really care about any of these moving right now. Ethereum Classic on the move again, maybe up to 50 USD again, we'll see. ℚ𝕠𝕚 might be watching me. I don't think he would be though. I mean, I don't see why ℚ𝕠𝕚 cares about what I'm doing, but I see what you mean. Maybe. Wait for the chart time to strike. Yeah. Yeah, ℚ𝕠𝕚, I think he's just like kind of sticking to his prediction. Bitcoin Cash to 100 grand. Yeah, man, all these cryptos, man, taking off hardcore recently. Not a lot of action right this week, but overall, like taking off pretty consistently. So, yeah. Guys, I got my QR code right up here, top right corner. I'm not asking for a lot of money, guys. I'm just asking you guys to partake in the network. Shoot me a penny. I know it takes a hand motion or two, but at the end of the day, it's worth it, guys. I gave a couple people Bitcoin Cash today at the gym. I uploaded a little video. I literally talked to these guys for like 5-6 minutes. Now they all own crypto, all three of them. So definitely check out that video. Shoot it a like if you like it. If not, shoot it down. You'll never know ℚ𝕠𝕚 if you never use social media messages. Yeah, ℚ𝕠𝕚 I don't think really cares about what people think. He's kind of in his own world, kind of like everybody. I mean, he's doing his thing with the mining thing. He owns a company. It's not like he can just worry about everything. Yeah, I was looking at Bitcoin Cash against BTC Core. So I'd like to leg up at least, 0.001. I mean, I'd like us to start leveling out here. I've kind of done that a little bit, but it's just definitely all over the place, guys. Yeah, I mean, I kind of agree with you, man. If governments want to fine you, they can either fine you or make it really difficult for you to, use your coin or, do anything other than involving somebody else in your thing. So to a point, it's decentralized, but, we're not talking like chaos at this point. It doesn't have to be chaos to be private. I mean, really, they would have to look really hard into seeing your moves, but but if you do it from like a KYC wallet and like you take the precautions to maybe get like a buy like a ghost phone or something, use a network that doesn't have any surveillance or anything like that, and then maybe go into a non-KYC and do like a local Bitcoins transaction type deal with any crypto, and then grow from there. Like technically you're anonymous, but they might get it where they can get miners to like flag certain wallets and stuff like that too, but I mean, it's not to that point yet. Yeah, privacy coins have their purpose too, though. Yeah, I don't know if Jihan's coming here. He might. Tell him to hit my QR code. If he does, tell him to drop me some Bitcoin Cash, because yeah. We're live, guys, on Bitcoin Cash, literally live. no schedule tonight. It's literally Sunday. I'll be taking off here pretty soon, guys. Probably watch some TV and go to bed. But had to get on here and make a quick little video. But yeah, guys, really consolidating on all these forks really recently. Just down, 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 basically, pretty much, against BTC. And with Bitcoin dropping, it doesn't help us out. But here recently, we've kind of really taken off. The 3 months, you know, still looking kind of down. We'd have to go up probably another 20% to really start getting like major recovery. But that could just be like tomorrow. I mean, that could happen right now. Probably going to head out here pretty soon, guys. I know it's kind of a short chat, but Chad, can you, if I send you some BCH, can you do 20 jumping jacks for me? I'm not going to do jumping jacks right now in 20s, but yeah, I can do 20 jumping jacks if that's what you're insinuating. I am physically fit enough to do it. Nah, fat bomb rich for the boys. Yeah, guys, we're live, so pretty much you're seeing it come in. We're literally live on Bitcoin Cash. I got my QR code in the top right. Feel free to send me a micro payment. It's always fun, guys. You feel good about doing it. Probably going to take off, guys, here pretty soon. Yeah, I kind of agree with it. It's supposed to be kind of free. You know, it should be. We shouldn't be spending an arm and a leg. And merchants too, guys. Whenever you guys go out and eat or you know, go to these places and you spend your credit card, those merchants are having to pay a fee too. So not only are you paying a fee, they're paying a fee, everybody's paying a fee. You know, the credit card companies even paying a fee to the bank because they're allowing the transaction to happen. So they're just moving the debt along the lines of command, forking it off to you in the end. Yeah, we're definitely free with Bitcoin Cash. We're free with ₘₒ♦, a lot of different cryptos. I think the idea is just to use them as payments, guys. And right now, that's pretty much what's going on. People are using them as payments. I got the little chat going on. Top right corner is my QR code. It's never been easier to send your boy crypto. Got my wallet up there. Basically takes seconds to receive. You know, it's as easy as you know, waking up and you know, getting out of bed. That easy. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Heading out for the evening. We'll definitely be back tomorrow. It's been a very relaxed evening, so I want to keep it in that vibe. We definitely are free, guys, with Bitcoin Cash. Free human beings, guys. That's the idea. We don't want people to screw us over, basically. Gotta watch our own backs. Nobody's gonna watch our back for us. Gotta watch our own backs. Thank you, Lucan, for the comment. Guys, I'm taking off. It's been fun. Catch you guys this week. Next couple days. Have a great evening.